starting with me. And ending with a surprise gift from Clank to Ratchet.
Oh dear. Must he tell the entire galaxy?
Wait, a gift? For what?
Oh, you will see. It is awaiting us at the front of the parade route.
Well, we better get moving then.
It all started on planet Bell. Ratchet, a restless tinkerer, hungry for adventure. That night, Clank ship came crashing from the night sky. And the rest is intergalactic history. And the crowd goes wild!
They sure pulled out all this.
Now, our heroes will clear this festive barricade. Who could forget the glory and Kerwin? Show the crowd some of those world-class sharpshooting skills. Now, once he grabs some ammo on board.
I think I found the bomb back!
What is this supposed to be a reenactment of?
You got a sweet bounty on your head, Lombax!
Ratchet, I do not believe this is part of the show.
Someone put a bounty on us?
I hope this is not about your gift. Hurry, we must get to the front of the parade route. Oh dear.
Activating Magna Boots! So much for smiling and waving, huh?
I would bet the blogs are behind this, or the Cragmites, or... oh, Dr. Nefarious.
Ha! No way! Nefarious has been retired longer than we have.
Watch out for Robobots!
Our hero's favorite is the
coming.
I am so pissed right now!
Take out that dropship and end this! A little rusty, but not too bad.
Are they gone? Oh, good. And now, we reach the present of our hero's story. Ratchet, the last known Lombax, whose kind is lost in another dimension, will receive a mysterious gift from Clank.
I had a speech prepared, but considering that our event seems to be under assault, I will cut to the chase. Ratchet, I do not know where I would be without you. You are my closest friend, my teammate, and you have given up a lot to... I have repaired the Dimensionator, so you can travel through dimensions and find your family.
Oh, pal, What? Dr. Nefarious?
Ratchet and Clank! What a wonderful surprise! I didn't expect to see you here. Considering my goons were meant to annihilate you 8 minutes ago.
Oh, what do you want, Nefarious?
Yes! Can't anyone print instruction manuals anymore?
Have to get the Dimensionator away from Dr. Nefarious!
Yes, and quickly. Whatever he has planned, it cannot be good.
Turn yourself in, Lombax!
Wait, perhaps we can put Quark's pyrotechnics to use.
Let's light him up!
I should have known Nefarious would try something like this.
Don't beat yourself up. This'll be just like old times. Come on, it looks like Nefarious landed somewhere near the train station. Go, Mrs. Zircon. We should grab a weapon.
Need a weapon? Mrs. Zircon has it all.
Boom! That is the sound of pure power and the Enforcer!
Slavic.
More goons! Incoming! One more to go! Train's pulling away. Let's go! Put down the Dimensionator, Nefarious!
Put down the Dimensionator. Yeah, right. Today, you will see what losing feels like. Spoiler, it's exhausting. As soon as I figure out these stupid coordinates. Say goodbye! Hey! What did you do?
Whoa! What just happened?
We may have a slight problem.
The bridge is shot! There has to be another way across.
The rifts are reacting to the phase quartz in your glove. Try pointing it at one of them.
Did you see that?
That was rather exciting.
Release the Robobots!
I wonder how much Nefarious is paying these guys.
Not nearly enough.
Whoa! Watch your head!
This is worse than I had imagined. Sand sharks from above.
Might as well give up.
Was that a kraken?
Or at least a very large octopus.
Nefarious' ship! We've got to find a way up there!
The taxis leaving from that stand are driving right by him.
Then we better not miss our ride. Hey, when did you rebuild the Dimensionator?
I have hobbies, and I know that finding the Lombaxes has always been important to you. I thought perhaps we could go together.
Wow, it's really thoughtful. But why don't we get it back from Nefarious first?
Yeah. The Lombax,
All right, here.
hand.
Nefarious is in way over his head!
What is that?
Whoa! Hey!
So pumped right now.
Did Dr. Nefarious really resurface after all these years just to try and take over the universe again?
Yeah! I kinda wish he was doing a worse job!
Quickly, we cannot let Nefarious overuse the Dimensionator. We must lower his defenses.
Ah! Did that hurt? Good!
Take that, Nefarious!
Toads are so unpleasant. His defenses are weakening. Oh dear, he is targeting us.
Yes, run from me!
Boys, where did Nefarious find these?
Today my ultimate plan will come to fruition. It is perfect, flawless, and nothing will stop me.
How many times have you heard that?
Probably around 80. No, it doesn't matter. Today will be the last time. Watch your step!
That looked rather painful.
You think a crushing defeat is all it takes to stop me?
I mean, yes.
Well, think again! We're going to a dimension where I always win, so you can finally know how it